Hi, Calvin. Happy 21st birthday. I just wish you all the best and happiness. And all I could say is I'm proud of you. We're all proud of you. With all your accomplishments, with your work, you've come a long way. And we all support you to whatever you want to do in your life. I know you're such a good boy and you have a lot of dreams. So, yeah, I wish you all the best. And again, just take one day at a time and enjoy your youth. Okay? I miss you and I hope we could all be there to party with you. But again, happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday, Kevin. Have fun on your birthday and enjoy your special day. Ciao.
Happy birthday, Kelvin. I hope you like the cash treasure that I sent for you. And I know na marami rin silang na-prepare na surprises for you. So just enjoy every moment of it. See you in November. Happy birthday. Bye.
Alright, ready guys?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelvin. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Calvin.
Happy birthday, Kelvin!
Happy birthday.
Hi Kelvin, happy birthday. The dog here is bugging us, annoying us, but anyway, hope you have a great 21st birthday. Don't get married yet, okay? And I know you're numero uno, you're making good at it, and just have fun, okay? I love you, we love you, okay? Bye, have fun. Mwah.
Bye, Kuya Calvin.
Hi, Kelvin. How are you? Well, I hope na-surprise ka talaga sa surprise party na binigay ng mami mo. Well, my only wish for you is sana sundin mo lahat ng gusto ng mami mo para sa iyong kinabukasan mo rin yun. And may all your dreams come true. And huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. Sana ma-attain mo yung pangarap mo na, you know, alam ko marami kang pangarap na para sa sarili mo at bigay mo sa mami mo. I know you're a very hardworking person and ambitious, patient. So, I know it's not impossible for you to attain your ambition. So, nandito lang ako. I'm very supportive sa lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay. Kung may problema ka, kahit nandito lang ako, I'm just one text away, or nandiyan naman ang FB, you can easily reach me there. Okay, happy birthday again, enjoy your birthday, and yeah, I wish you all the best, miss you, I love you, bye!